Hey, today I'm going to show you how to change your battery for car remote control Mazda, any Mazda. Or too many cars are the same, similar principle anyway, but maybe different way how to open it. In this video I'm showing you specifically how to do the Mazda one. Basically you open your blade like that, and as you can see inside here is, I don't know if you can see it in the camera. There is a small nip anyway. So basically you just need any screwdriver, small one. It doesn't matter, it's flat or Philip, just have to be small, so go in the hole, and then you just put it in, and you find this small hole inside there, and you just press on it. I got the torch so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, I hope you can see the small hole now inside here. You need to push in it with a small, maybe nail or screwdriver. I'm going to do this now. I have the torch. Okay, once you press on the correct place, you will have the key fob disconnected like this. And what we was pressing on, I'll show you again, this snip. See the snip? You need to press on to release it, so we can pull the fob and open it. So basically we have the key dismantle, and now we have to open this part for the battery. To open this part, I just with this screwdriver, flat small screwdriver, go in here, try to find space so you can open it up like that, and then open it like so. Now as you can see, the battery is here, so remove the old battery using the screwdriver again, and I suppose replace your new one here. Same way, make sure that the plus on the bottom, you can see on the fob, I'll show you the plus sign. That's where the plus from the battery. This is the plus from the battery. So that's gone there. That's going there like so. Click like that. So we have it already in. So make sure you have removed anything of that chip, so that chip exactly goes the same way, and this connection for the battery, these two connection for the battery. So this is go on the top of the battery, like so, and then line them up correctly and press until you hear the click. And now put your key back. Now put your key back here, and you press it until you hear the click. Now it is strong, and we have replaced the battery on the Mazda key fob. Thank you for watching.